maraming salamat sa antindi na kinumpleto mo yung pangalan ko, Corazon Avicilia Padierno. Shortcut na lang mamaya. Magandang araw po sa ating lahat and a warm Merry Christmas to everyone. On this special occasion, we would like to extend our sincere appreciation and acknowledgements to our distinguished guests and partners who have continuously supported the Filipino community in Taiwan. Mr. Lin Ben Cheng of the Daegu District Office, Mr. Wang Wei Cheng of the Cross-Border Workforce Management Division, and Mr. Lin Lung Yu, Assistant Director General of the Department of General Planning, the CEO of Kilter International Enterprises, Sabrina Ko, Mr. Jason Chen from Philippine Airlines, Attorney Padayan of DMW, and of course we have the members of the MECO Board of Directors. May I request for them to stand up so that the audience will be able to recognize you. We have Director Maralit, Director Katapang, Director Wilson Texon, the forever dynamic Director Arenas, and our very new Corporate Secretary, Mr. Inky Reyes. And of course, the rest of our, yung magigiting po natin mga bisita. Good morning po. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pleasure and pride that we join the Filipino community in Taiwan in celebrating Paskong Pinoy, a season that reflects the warmth, resilience, and strong sense of community that we Filipinos carry wherever we may be in the world. Your presence today signifies a strong friendship and cooperation between the Philippines and Taiwan, and your continued support contributes greatly to the welfare and well-being of our overseas Filipinos. Paskong Pinoy is a celebration and reminder of our shared values of family, unity, gratitude, and hope. For many Filipinos working and living far from our home, this season strengthens our connection to our roots and reminds us that no matter the distance, the spirit of Christmas unites us as one people. To our Filipino workers, professionals, students, and families in Taiwan, we commend your dedication, hard work, and positive contributions to Taiwanese society. You are living bridges of goodwill between our two peoples. Kayo po talaga ang soul ng pagsasama natin dito. Kaya tayo nandito lahat, kaya nag-eksiso ang MECO para kayo ay pagsilbihan. So kung may pangangailangan po kami, nandito po kami palagi. We are always ready to be behind you. As we celebrate today with music, food, and fellowship, may we all be inspired to carry forward the spirit of bayanihan, compassion, and mutual respect, not only during the Christmas season, but throughout the coming year. May this Paskong Pinoy bring joy to your hearts, peace to your homes, and renewed hope for a brighter future for all. Maraming salamat po, and we wish you everyone maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon.
Alright, isa mas maingay na palakpakan para sa ating chairperson, Padiernos! Ayan! Kami ko lang ba? Ay, sorry. Alright. Separate opinions of what the country has become. But at the end of the day, you yourselves are a representative of our homeland. So as long as you believe that you can do it the way our heroes did, then there's still a hope for the Philippines. Palakpakan po natin ang ating bansa! Ayan. So gaya ng nasabi po natin, hindi lamang ang ating mga kababayan ang ating bisita dito, we do also have very important guests from the Taiwan government, and we shall be hearing their messages for us in this very moment. Allow me to introduce our next guest. So he is a graduate of mechanical engineering from Nanya Industrial College. He has served in various key leadership roles within the Taipei City government, including Chief of the Tongshan District Office, Chief Secretary of the Namgang District Office, Director of the Datong District Office, and Section Chief of both the Civil Affairs Bureau and the Department of Government Ethics. Join me in welcoming and thanking him for allowing us to serve his Sunday today, Mr. Lin Bintang! Palakpakan po natin!
我们欢迎我们台北市内务区区长 Mr. Lin Bintang。
亲爱的马尼拉经济文化办事处克拉松艾迪耶尔诺斯主席，各位贵宾，在座的各位在台湾的菲律宾朋友们，大家早安，大家好。
Dear Chairman Padiernas of the Manila Economic and Cultural Office, distinguished guests, and Filipino friends in Taiwan, good morning.
我谨代表台北市长蒋万安，向各位致上12万分的问候，也很高兴跟各位一起欢庆充满爱与希望的圣诞佳节。
On behalf of Mayor Chang Wan-an, I extend my warmest greetings to everyone. It is a pleasure to celebrate this Christmas filled with love and hope with you all.
菲律宾朋友长期在台湾努力打拼，无论在长照，还是在家庭照护，还是在工程，还是在各项的资源上面，都做得非常大的一个贡献。我仅代表台北市政府向各位致上深沉的谢意，也祝福大家身体健康。
Our Filipino friends have long worked hard in Taiwan, making significant contributions in areas such as caregiving, family support, manufacturing, and engineering. The Taipei City government is sincerely grateful and highly values.
今天的活动不只是庆祝圣诞佳节，更是以孩子的角度来唤起大家的纯真喜悦。对，这是表示我们对家的温暖的一种非常的渴望。那也祝福大家有一个愉快的下午。
Today's event is not about celebrating the holiday, but also about feeling the warmth of home this year. We're evoking the pure joy of Christmas from a child's perspective, which also symbolizes our attention to and support new immigrant families.
台北是一个充满爱跟包容的一个城市，大家都是非常重要的一份子。祝福今天的活动圆满顺利，大家身体健康，阖家平安。
Taipei is a city full of inclusiveness and love, and you are an important part of it. I wish today's program a complete success. I also wish everyone a Merry Christmas.
谢谢大家。
Thank you, everyone.
的 Meko 的彭克荣主席，那各位贵宾，各位菲律宾的好朋友，大家早安，大家好。
Oh, I'm sorry. Good morning, everyone, from Mr. Wei, and he's wishing us, every one of us, a Merry Christmas.
好，今天很高兴有这个机会，可以代表我们中华民国劳动部来参加这个活动。那也谢谢 Meko 的邀请，我们对于菲律宾的伙伴，致上最深的一个祝福跟敬意。
He is from a WDA, Workforce Development Agency. He's very happy today being with us, celebrating our event for this Christmas.
我知道圣诞节对于每个菲律宾的朋友都是一个很重要的节日哦。那我们也希望说，虽然各位没有办法在菲律宾跟你们的家人团聚，但是也希望能够把台湾当作你们第二个家。我们台湾会给你们所有的支持跟协助。
Alam daw po niya na very important po ang Christmas sa ating lahat at malayo po tayo sa ating bansa at kaya po sana wini-wish niya na sana sa araw na ito ay maging malaking nandito po sila sa Taiwan, na tayo sa Taiwan at maging masaya pa rin tayo kahit malayo po tayo sa ating mga pamilya.
接着我要谢谢各位菲律宾的朋友在台湾，不管是家庭照顾，还有在不同的产业，对我们台湾经济的贡献跟协助，还是深深的谢谢各位。
is very thankful po sa ating, especially sa ating mga caregivers or caretakers po, household caretakers po dito sa Taiwan. Malaking tulong po daw po yun sa ating, sa Taiwan po. And wini-wish po niya na everyone po is maging malusog po tayo.
好，那最后还是谢谢 Meko 的邀请，那也对在场的义工朋友献上最祝福的一个建议。那最后祝各位圣诞快乐，新年快乐。
And wish everyone a Merry Merry Christmas.
Good morning, Paul. Madam Chair, President, Alicia Nino, and the dear member of the director, also all distinguished. Good morning, everyone, and magandang umaga po. Yeah, I'm Vincent Yong Yulin. Now I'm the Assistant Director General from Ministry of Labor. And also good news to share with you. First of all, I do thank Meko for inviting me to be part of this great event. And also I'll be the new director of the division in the Taipei Economic and Cultural Office in Manila. So soon I will be in Manila soon to experience the diverse and vibrant the Philippine culture and the people. And also, I also want to share with you the establishment of the labor division in Taipei, Manila, represent a new milestone between the cooperation between Taiwan and the Philippines, which means we are going to strengthen, deepen the bilateral cooperation and hope to welcome more Filipino workers and more talent to work in Taiwan. So earlier you cut it, so I want to give a big speech. No, I mean it's not speech. Just want to share good news with you. So just want to say thank you, and also say wish you a Merry Christmas. Yeah, I tried. I hope my pronunciation correct. Manikayam, Pascal, and Happy New Year.
Thank you very much. And share.
Alam ko na marami sa inyo dyan na namimiss din ang inyong mga pamilya and gusto niyo makasama sila. Alam ko naman din yung iba ay pauwi na dito sa Pilipinas. Yung Pasko talaga is all about the family at kami dito sa OWA, pamilya niyo na rin na talaga namang laging nandito at nagmamahal sa inyo. Maasahan ninyo sa mga programa, sa mga serbisyo na binibigay ng OWA, buong puso namin binibigay. Serbisyo talaga mula sa puso, Alagang OWA. Again, maligayang Pasko sa inyong lahat at see you soon kasi we're very excited to launch yung ating Global Center dyan sa Taipei. So inaasahan namin pupunta ang OWA at ang ating mga iba't ibang pang-ahensya para bisitahin kayo dyan. Maraming salamat. Merry Christmas.
Yan. Palakpakan po natin.
Isang maligayang pagbati sa inyo, mga minamahal nating bagong bayani ng mundo at sa buong sambayanang Pilipino. Sa pagpasok ng Pasko, nais kong magbigay pugay na may muli sa inyo, mga mahal naming OFWs at OFW families. Ang inyong sakripisyo at pagpupursigi ang nagpapatibay sa ating bansa at nagbibigay ilaw sa inyong mga tahanan. Kayo ang tunay mong diwa ng pag-asa sa Pasko. Sa ilalim ng Bagong Pilipinas ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr., patuloy po ang arangkada mga serbisyo namin sa Department of Migrant Workers, ang tahanan ng OFWs. Tiyak na mas pinag-ibay ang ating mga programa para sa inyong proteksyon, benepisyo at ang inyong ligtas na pagbabalik. Ang DMW po ay laging katuwang ninyo sa bawat yugto ng inyong paglalakbay bilang isang OFW. Naway ang pagdating ng Mesiyas ay magdala ng masaganang biyaya, matibay na kalusugan at kapayapaan sa inyong puso. Ipagdiwang po natin ang Pasko ng may pag-asa at pagmamahalan. Mula sa tahanan ng OFWs, maligayang Pasko at manilang bagong taon po sa inyong lahat.
Palakpakan po Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. Palakpakan po natin.
And my heartfelt Christmas greetings to the entire Filipino nation as we solemnly and festively celebrate Christmas this year. Once again, the season has arrived when streets come alive with Christmas songs, twinkling lights, holiday delicacies, and the joyful excitement of finding and sharing gifts for the people that we love. This time of the year reminds us of the warmth of family, the laughter that we share with friends, and the blessings we extend to others, especially to those who need it most. Let us commemorate the birth of Christ with compassion and kindness by helping one another and standing together in recovery and in renewal. Just like the child in the manger, may we always spark happiness and bring hope to every person that we meet along the way as we move forward to a bagong Pilipinas. Once again, Merry Christmas. May this Yuletide reflect the generosity of the Filipino spirit, always giving, always loving, and always putting others' welfare before our own. Maligayang Pasko sa inyong lahat.
Palakpakan po natin ang ating mahal na Presidente, President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Araw na ito, huwag na natin patagalin at papasukin na natin ngayon ang ating unang kalahok. Ayan. At ang tinig na nagdadala ng tapang, pag-asa at milyon-milyong pangarap ng ating mga OFW mula sa Pintong City. Palakpakan natin Glenn Gabriel Babaran!
I close my eyes and I can see the world is waiting for me to make home my own. Through the dark, through the door, through what no one's been before, and it feels like home. Say, no, sounds crazy. They say, impossible. Rosan, lagi makinig, ako ay sundin. Awat na mata para iyong pakinggan. Panguluban, awat na taba, sinangan sa higan. Wow, naganasan, amay iko'y makulang. Nagasan, ayaw ko pa. Ibigan ang puso na gagawa ng ako. Tatanggumin, pati the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world and sin and error pining till He appeared and the soul felt its worth.
Palakpakan po natin! Okay po, isang ulit pa. Bawal. Ayun. And magpapamasko po tayo sa kanila. Ang very, very light. Iba pa po yan sa maaari nilang mapanalunan mamaya, ha? Ano lang po natin yan? Pangunang bungad. Ayan. Oh. Mamaya, pwede natin kantahan. Namamas ko po. Bigyan naman. Ayan. So, little ones later, meron pa tayo ha kapag nag-win na kayo. Ano lang natin muna yan? Pamaskong handog. Ayan. Buti ko naintindihan ako ng mga ito. Okay. Ayan. Palakpakan po ulit natin ang ating limang gawing Bulilin Talented People! Ayan. Pag maganda ang feedback natin may round 2 di ba po, Director? Ayan. Okay. Ayan. Meron pong 12 na mananalo ng gift box mula po sa Hotel 101. Palakpakan po natin! May I call on a representative from Hotel 101, please? Kung meron? Ay, sir! Ayan! Ay, ayun! Kinikwento sa akin ni sir, they belong daw with Jollibee. Sabi ko naman, na ang saya. Oh, wala nga lang ako nung gawin. Alright. 12 to ha, 12. Dito ka muna. Yung ang hirap, pag-host ka pala, exempted ka sa draw. Alright. Okay, sir. Okay, dito po muna tayo, sir, ha? Kasi we will help. Tulungan ko na lang po kayo mag-announce. First winner ng ating gift box with ticket number 30 Sunod-sunurin ko ha. Okay, ito ha. 30909. Second winner, 30865. Basta pag natawag ko kayo, akyat na agad. Akyat na agad. 30865. Pangatlo, 30875. 30875. Pangapat, dalawa lang pala. 2-0-1-3-7-4. 2-0-1-3-7-4. Panglima, 2-0-1-2-5-7. 2-0-1-2-5-7. Ang kasunod, 3-0-9-1-7. 3-0-9-1-7. 3-0-8-9-7. 3-0-8-9-7. 3-0-8-7-7. 3-0-8-7-7. Oh, basta pag natawag, akyat ha. 2-0-2-0-9-4. 2-0-2-0. Oh, kanino po natin ibibigay? Ayan. Oh, dito muna ikaw, baby, ha? So, magpipicture tayo together. Dyan muna, dyan muna. Ilan pa lang to? 1, 2, 3. Oh, ano? Sir, nag-picture together with them, please. Ayan, si ma'am. Ano to? 656. Alright. So, sir, klaruhin natin. Pag hindi na-claim right this moment, bubunot tayo ulit? Tama or tama? Ay. Ayan. Ay, sir, wag mo ko isali ha. Dito ako sa kabila. Ay, ma'am, dito po para ano? Para pantay. Ayan. So, sir, pag hindi na-claim ngayon agad, bubunot ulit tayo. Oh. Okay. 4. Ayan. Magpapalit po kami ng 4 kasi wala pong umakyat. Kaya sinasabi ko na, babantayan nyo ang ticket nyo. Pag kayo iihi, ibigay nyo sa katabi nyo. Hala sir, parang papunta yata sir. Ay, hindi pala, sa kabila pala sila, sorry. Wrong information. Ayan. Another 4. Magpapalit na kami ha. Better luck next time. Another 0-0. Kumpris kuya, kumpris. Kasi hindi kasya ng lente ni kuya. Kabila pala. Kabila ka daw kuya para pantay ang bangka. Ayan. Ayan. Ma'am, baka naman. Charos. Ma'am, wala tayo sa registration. Alright! Ahem! Dati wallet lang tayo, ngayon bag na talaga. Ahem! Ang unang mananalo! Sa mga mananalo ha, palatandaan, and a reminder ulit, please keep your ARC ready at huwag kakalimutan. Tapos, cellphone. Makinig ng mabuti. Ang mananalo ng cellphone ay merong ticket number na 2-0 1305. 2-0-1305. Pakitaas ng ticket. Ganyan. Okay. Ang susunod. Congratulations! Okay po?
Isinilang siya sa mundo. Sa inyo ay totoo ang Pasko. Ang pinakamagandang kwento.
Tao po. Good evening. Pwede po mag-aala?
This one. Kuya! This one. Kuya, OFW, correct? Ayan! At tingin tayo, kailangan verification. 000703! Okay. Gitnaan ninyo siya. Gitnaan. Ayan. Kuya, doon tayo sa naka-brown. Ayan. Ayun.
One touch, no escape.
Alright. So, bago natin i-reveal ang mananalo, meron lang pong mensahe sa atin ang ating kaibigan, of course, from Philippine Airlines. At in Tagalog pa po ito. Ayan.
Mabuhay! Mabuhay! Ayan. Okay, so ako po ang interpreter ngayon ng ating kaibigan sa Philippine Airlines. So ang unang-una po pinapasabi nila, they would like to thank every Filipino worker na nandito po ngayon sa Taiwan. Kasi according sa kanila, napakalaki daw po ng contribution ninyo sa kanilang economic growth. Palakpakan. Ayan. At pangalawang hinihingi po nila at kasama po ako sa paghingi sa tulong na yun is tayo po ay dapat unang-unang mag-promote ng Pilipinas, di ba? So, dahil ang Pilipino po kasi ang #1 tourist from Southeast Asia dito sa Taiwan. Napakaraming Pinoy na pumupunta dito. So, it's our turn also to invite our Taiwanese friends to go to the Philippines. So, yun po yung hinihinging tulong ng Philippine Airlines. So, ayan lang po. Maraming salamat.
So, siya lang interpreter, si Director Yambao. Okay. Ayan. So, nakabunot na pala. Sabi ko nga, bakit pa kasi ang tagal-tagal ko? Dalawa po ito, sir. Opo. Ay, hindi. Dalawa po yung mananalo, ma'am. Ibig sabihin, bubunot pa po kayo ng isa. Sige. Daddy. Ang galing ni Director Baby. Doon na si Lalim talaga. Sabi nga sabi ni Director Dixon kanina, wala daw luto. Ganyan talaga. Ayan. Round trip ticket to the Philippines from Taiwan from Philippine Airlines. Ang unang mananalo. Makinig. 哦。Sige, okay lang, okay lang. I'll come here. 00623, correct! Ayan. Saglit lang. Tatabi lang ako. Ayun! Hawakan mo ng koya. Sarap! Ayan! Once again, thank you! Pa tayo, baby! Usad, usad pa tayo, usad para center sila ate. Ayan. O, ate, dito tayo, usad tayo ng konti. Baby, usad tayo ng konti. Ayan. Okay? O, to the side, yes, we love. Ayan. Okay. Ayan, move a little bit. Ayan. Alright, ayan. Sige. Comprise. Are you happy? Thank you so much. Ayan. Cameraman, ayan. Thank you. 66.33% tatanggap ng 10,000 NT dollars si Mark Gillian Go! Palakpakan po natin! Ay, nasan siya? Nasan si Mark? Ayun! Ang aming SB19. Ayan. Okay, Mark, dito muna tayo. Tapos mamaya, picture tayo all together. Ha? Ayan! Wala man ang palakpak, mga kaibigan! Ayan! Ayun! Very cute! Okay, ayan. Look at Kuya over there, ha? Ayan. Alright, picture. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Wow! Ganito ang sabi ni Clem, oh. Ganon dapat. Oh, baby, dito ka muna sa gilid. Ayan, together with Mark. Ayan. Andito na ang champion for today's video. Asa na mga parents natin? Garnering. Nawala yung drum roll ko dyan. Garnering an average score of 68.5%. Congratulations sa tatanggap ng 20,000 NT, Emmanuel J. New Javier! Napaka-supportive talaga ng manager ko na to. Ayan. O, look at Kuya, ha? Ayun. Alright. O, together. Together sa center, baby, doon. One. Okay. Harap mo na kay Kuya. Alright. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Palakpakan po natin. Ayan. Thank you. Palakpakan po natin ang ating Going Bulilit Got Talent! Ayan, okay. Ay, gandang-ganda ang ate ko. Yung glitters mo mamaya akin na, ha? Kaya. Yan, alright. Baba, para makita sila ma'am at sir sa likod. Si ate, control. Kalmati. Oo. O, baba ng konti, very light. Hindi na makita si Director Texon sa likod mo ate. Ayan, Dito ka anak, dito. Ayan, di ba? Yung one day practice nyo, naka 30,000. Ay, 2 days pala. Opo, yes. Na ngayon or later? Okay. So, ayan. At para naman hindi uuwing luhaan ang ating dalawang baby, madaling magturo pag bata ka. Alright, next one. Aaron and Liam. Ayan Liam, you received an envelope from Gilter. Okay? Tapos you look at Kuya. We'll take a picture. Chine-check na niya yung laman ng envelope. Alright. Tingnan niyo po si Kuya hanggang matangkot siya sa inyo. Ayan. Okay, dito po tayo. Picture. Isang mas mainit na palakpak para sa CTBC! We would like to call onto the stage representative of CTBC so that they can award personally with our chairperson the cash prize. Ayan, sir, thank you for coming. Alright, yun. Ang sabi ni CTBC, we are family. Sir, I can be your daughter too. Alright! Eto na, ba't papapatagaling pa? 20,000 NT dollar will go to ticket holder of number 30! 939! Nasaan ka? Ayun! There! Very lucky. O, dito kuya, dito. Sa right side. Woo! We shall verify. Let me see, kuya. You are correct! Palakpakan po natin! Hey! Woo! Sana all. Ay mapupunta sa ticket number na merong 2-0! 2-0! Nasaan ka? Ayun si Atay Nakafeng! Ayan. Ayun. Patingin, patingin, patingin. Mahirap na. 30 to, 30. 2-0, 2022. Congratulations! Ayan, okay. Doon po tayo kay Kuya naka-white cap. Tingin tayo. Ayan. Congratulations! Maraming salamat, Kilter!
Sa kakaisip ko sa'yo, lagi na lang ikaw ang alaala ko. Kahit nasaan ka man, larawan mo'y nagtatanaw. Maging sa pagtulong na papangarap ka, pagkat ang nais ko sana'y kapiling ka sa tuwina. Ano bang nakita ng puso kong ito sa'yo? Kapag ika'y kasama, sabay-sabay! Bakit labis kitang mahal? Ganda mo, di ko malimutan. Bakit labis kitang mahal? Sumama, wala pa nga eh. If you know this song, please do sing along with me, okay? Sino na ang para? Nasa ka na? Sure, ha? I love you only one, but every time I die, you mean it's feeling and it's not. Sino na ang para? You're naman. Palakpakan niyo naman yung mga kumanta kanina. Galing. Pwede ba i-clear natin yung gitna? Kasi gusto ko makarating din sa likuran. Oo, amen. Dito ba? Sa bandang likuran? Ha? Yung likod sa kanan. Oh, dito sa taas. Oh, talo kayo. Mas malakas, oh. Sa taas, sa kanan. Dito naman, sa kaliwa, sa taas. Ay, malakas. Ang hirap mamili. Siguro sa pagkain ka na lang ito ng 10 beses para lahat ka magbigyan. Pwede ba ako punta dito sa gitna? Halip, sa